loved bicycles. I loved them right away because your first bicycle is like your first car. You can go further than you ever could before, and quickly. So before that, you're like walking only. You get your first bicycle, that's like a kid's first car. You can go wherever you want to go quick and further. And I loved them. And then once I went by the bike shop and I saw them working in there, and I was like, this is the best job in the world to do something that you get to do for free. Hey, how you doing? Hello, how you doing? Yeah, so you get to work on bicycles, something that I would do for free if I didn't have bills. Okay, cool. So those are $8. Tires are 25 each, installed. Okay? Now we can do this right now. So if you got 15 minutes. Okay, cool. And gentlemen prefer cash. That's a beautiful thing. Yeah, I started as a little kid working on my own bicycles because we couldn't afford to go to a bike shop. So I asked a lot of questions. All right. Thank God my mom was blessed with a lot of common sense because it was me and mom. Me and mom working on bicycles. She was teaching me when I had issues. And then just been working on bicycles. Got my first job at a bike shop when I turned 14 years old. And that's when I first got paid cash. Because before then I fixed my sister's bicycle and she paid me with an egg sandwich. Yeah, so, yeah, I've been working on bicycles ever since. Yeah. What are you coming with, in dirt? Yeah? It blows off. Hey, doggy. Okay, so yeah, why don't we, yeah. It's been sitting a really long time. Do you want us to tune it up? Okay. Hey, have you ever went to a department store and test rode a bike? No. You said, I'll take that one. All right? You go to a bike shop, you get to test ride it. You go to a department store, I'll take that one and that one. Hey. Because of the way they look. I think that's it.
Oh, you got it?
I think so.
Cool.
So I feel good about it. But when I first started out, I told the clients, give me a chance to earn your business. But I also told them, if you don't like the work, then you don't have to pay me. But all I'm asking from you is for your honesty. And so that's how it started. And then after one repair, and then the next repair, and on, and so on and so forth, and it started to happen. But it was kind of a really bad time because I first started in 2008, and the economy was terrible. Nobody had any extra money, and it wasn't like extra money because I was doing it cheaper than anybody, and I was doing high quality work. And then in 2011, I got my resale license, and I opened up in front of my home out of a truck like this one. And that's what I did for a whole year. And things were moving along, and then someone called the city. And of course it was illegal. Danny, why you tell me that was gonna happen? There you go. And so I put a canopy, and I put all my bicycles there and worked out in my backyard for years, for like 9 years. So here I am now, on the side of the road again. But it's good. What's my goal? I don't know, man. I would say something like to change the world, one person at a time, through repairing their bicycles, putting a smile on the person's face, because people love to ride bicycles, and they're not so happy when it's not working. So it kind of helps, you know, change a person's day by getting their bicycles working. I'm changing the world, one person at a time.